Welcome to my channel. Here we are going to be looking at these 45 Neco questions on AutoCAD, safe working habits and blueprints. Looking at the Neco past question that I have with me, I was able to pick out these 45 questions which have to do with Neco questions on AutoCAD, safe working habits and blueprints. So I've highlighted the answers to each of the questions, and I'll quickly run through the questions and then the answers will also be read out. Let's start with question 1 that says, the following are edit commands except save. So all others are edit command used in AutoCAD: extend, move, offset, and trim. They are all edit command in AutoCAD, and then they are found under modified tools in AutoCAD. Then question 2 says, which of the following is a cropping tool used in CorelDRAW? So the answer is knife. The answer is knife used in CorelDRAW. Okay, then question 3 says, which of these editing tasks cannot be performed with a group? The answer is trim. The answer is trim. So that is the answer to question 3. Then question 4, using the relative polar coordinate system to add a 3-inch line that is 45 degrees from the end point of the line created above it. The drafter would type the answer is at 3 less than 45 degrees and center. So the answer is option A. Then question 5, the following are graphic packages except spreadsheet. Then question 6, the following are advantages of CAD software except that it's time consuming in nature. The answer is option B. Then question 7, the AutoCAD symbol drawn below is found in dash command. It is found in modify command. This is a mirror. So we mirror this particular image and we have this one. And this line in the middle is called a mirror line. So let's take note of that. Then question 8 says, the icon shown below is controlled by the mouse. So this is controlled by the mouse. So I couldn't type the rest of the options, but the answer here is mouse. So that's why I just typed mouse here. Then question 9, the following are features of CAD system except high maintenance cost. That is option C is the answer to question 9. Then question 10, which of the following commands is used to reproduce block B from A? Block B from A, the answer is rotate. Then question 11, which of the commands can be manipulated to make the drawing below? So the answer is polyline. So you can use polyline to form this. This can be a dimension line, but you can make use of polyline to make it to be in this form. Okay, then question 12, to boost a computer means to start up the computer. And then question 13, the extension for saving AutoCAD drawing is, this is the answer. So to that question, that is .dwg. Then question 14, the term AutoCAD means automatic computer-aided drafting. Automatic computer-aided drafting. That is the answer to that question 14. Then question 15, the shortcut command to undo action in AutoCAD is Ctrl+Z, just like the normal when we make use of it in Microsoft Word. So we still have this to be Ctrl+Z. Okay, then question 16, which of the following commands is an AutoCAD modified tool? So the answer is extend. So this extend, as I said at for the first question, or that's question 1, that this belongs to a modified tool. So the rest of this option, line, polyline, arc, and circle, they are all under drawing command or drawing tool in AutoCAD. Then question 17, which of the following is a CorelDRAW tool? So fill is a CorelDRAW tool. So the rest here, fillet, mirror, move, rotate, they are all AutoCAD command and they are found under modified tool or modified command. Then question 18, the modified tool that can reproduce 2 or more parallel lines at equal distances is copy. So copy. So it also belongs to modified tool, and all the rest here, offset, trim, break, they are all modified tool. Then question 19, the part of the computer that displays visual information is a monitor. So we all know that. Then question 20, the origin of AutoCAD space drawing space is 0, 0, as you can see it there. Then question 21 says that, question 21, we have that the following are safety working habits in the drawing studio, except use a brush or handkerchief to wipe eraser particles. So that's the answer to that question. Then question 22, it is essential to clean off the particles of eraser from the drawing paper in order to keep the drawing neat and clear. Then question 23, the following provisions should be available in a drawing studio except sunshade. Then question 24, which of the following is a safe working habit? Keeping the instrument away from moisture. So that is the answer to that question 24. Then question 25, drawing instruments are best kept in corkboards. That is the answer. Then question 26, who is responsible for keeping blueprint studio in public schools? So the government will be the one to be responsible for that. Then question 27, which of the following is not an advantage of blueprinting? The answer is cumbersome to produce. So then question 28, the following can increase the production capacity of technical drawing materials and equipment except importation of products. Then question 29, the following are used in blueprint industry except crayon. Then question 30, the following are factors to be considered in setting up a blueprint production center except aesthetics. Then question 31, which of the following is not a key element when operating and managing blueprint reproduction center? That is deficit. Then question 32, which of the following professionals is responsible for producing building blueprints? The architects are responsible for that. Then question 33, the process of reproducing drawings that allows enlargement or reproduction of original document is known as diazo printing. Then question 34, the following are true about blueprint reproduction except color production. Then question 35, the following are qualities that drawing equipment retailers should possess except being pessimistic. Then question 36, graphics can be converted into hard copy with the aid of printer. Then question 37, a blueprint comprises of a white background with dashed lines, with blue lines. So that is the answer. Then question 38, a blueprint that includes all information required by the various trades to complete a project is known as working drawing. Then question 39, a reproduction method involving ultraviolet light passing through a translucent drawing to a chemically coated paper is diazo print process. Then question 40, the following are required in drawing equipment merchandising except good draughtsmanship. Then question 41, a good drawing should have the following features except aesthetic. Then question 42, the fragile lead in pencil can be safeguarded by shielding it from shock. Then question 43, the following are to be considered when placing order for drawing equipment except origin. Then question 44, which of the following is not true about blueprint? Can detect quality of materials required. So that's the answer to the question there. And the last question, question 45, the type of blueprint reproduction that has blue lines on white background is diazo print process. So we have gone through the 45 questions for Neco questions on AutoCAD, AutoCAD, safe working habits, and blueprint. It's as simple as I've done it here. Thank you and God bless you.